just to sit at a sandbar and catch redfish on cut mullet. Oh my gosh! Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's Kevin. You're watching Fish Under Pressure. Today we're out in Mosquito Lagoon targeting redfish. There was a full moon was a couple days ago. It's November 7th. 2 to 3 mile an hour winds. It is Friday. Gotta work tomorrow. I'd rather work on the weekends and not deal with the googans. I'd rather come on a weekday. But even then, it was like so many freaking boats at the ramp this morning. It's crazy. I'm gonna get up on plane right now and we'll see you guys shortly. Actually, we're gonna get him. Stop it. Stop it. You're gonna. Oh, he just came off. That's a leader touch, though. Definitely a trout. Oh. 23 on the dot, dude. Maybe a little bit bigger, actually. 23 inches. Not bad. Nice fish. Yeah, it's bigger. It's a bigger fish for sure. Like 27 probably. People. That's a nice fish. Come on, dude. $27.5 actually. £8 on the dot. Goes. Bye fishy. That's a nice fish. Hell yeah. I'm switching it up from the Salt Strong Flukes, which I think it's the same thing, to the Zoom. I don't know about you guys, but this is the OG bait. Growing up, I used to bass fish a lot. 90% of the time, this is what I threw. The all white, actually. I would do this color too, but mostly just the all white color, and I would rig it weightless and just fish shorelines. I like this better. The way that the top is flat, so you can find the middle easier. On the Salt Strong one, you can't. pay like what, $650 or so, $600 for a half a day, $900 for a full day, just to sit at a sandbar and catch redfish on cut mullet. Yes, sir. And I'm over here just slaying them. Oh my gosh, holy shit. Dude, he didn't know he was hooked yet. Oh my gosh. Please stay glued. He's trying some weird shit. Please stay glued. This is probably 30. It's so fun on the 1K. I ain't gonna play anymore. This net is too small. Got his ass. Phew! See how big she is first. Dude, this thing is a bruiser. Oh, he's 31. 31 inches. A little bit of a backstory as to why I was saying that right before I got crushed by this redfish. I was about 20 minutes into working this shoreline when two what appear to be charter captains came flying up near me, and they were probably about 40 yards away from me running full throttle just to power down and sit there and throw cut bait, live bait, whatever they're doing. I honestly couldn't believe it, so I was just talking my shit. Yes, sir. So sick. Look how pretty that fish is. Yes, sir. Let's go. Working up, he was coming straight to the boat, and I'm like, oh, it's just a little dink. As soon as he got to the boat, I seen he was over 30, and he just starts screaming drag on the 1K. Talk about, ain't nothing better, man. I think I just made myself a believer again of the Zoom. I've made 4 casts now. No, yeah, maybe 4 casts. This is probably my 4th cast. 2 reds in those 4 casts. One's 27.5 and one was 31. Pretty unreal, because I was throwing the salt strung one before this and caught like a dink. Wow, this is crazy. Diet. This water has definitely gone down quite a bit, probably 5 or 6 inches in the past couple weeks, and water's still really dirty, but up like in shallower water you have a little bit of visibility, so it's possible maybe to find some clean water, maybe be able to sight cast. Probably 20 inches. Uh-oh. Fish on, baby. I seen him. Another red. It's a pretty one. Dude, you're tripping. Oh, yes, sir. Boat is full of water from all these fish I'm catching. Another one. Watch them crush it. A little baby. On the fluke. They literally bit the tail off. The last one that crushed it took the tail, and they still love it. It's kind of like the finesse TRD, which I might throw on here. Uh-oh. So today's video, what I'm doing is I'm using a new bait. made by Gulp. 3-inch. This is a new penny. This is called the Turbo. Do the redfish love it as much as they love the OG? It has these little legs that kind of have pretty good action. They go side to side like it's swimming along. And it's just really streamlined with the Deadlocks hook from Z-Man. It looks pretty natural, so I think it's gonna work. See how it works in the water. Oh yeah, dude, it looks really good up there. He just ate it, he just ate it. He just ate it. Nice, dude. First sight cast with the new Gulp. Holy shit. Oh my God, I almost just fell. All right, spot lock, dude. What is going on right now? Come this way, dude. Come this way. 22 on the dot. That's a pretty fish. Let me see it. Well, here. That's the Ned locks, right? Didn't lock anything because it came off right away. Yeah, this little finesse hook, man. I love it. For the redfish, they're so weird. They're so pressured with the 89 boats that launched this morning. You know, they're getting pummeled by NLBNs and regular Gulp shrimps, I'm sure. So it's good to break up the monotony and throw something new and kind of test it out. Oh my God, it's a trout. This sight casted a, oh my God. Just sight casted a giant trout and lost him. Wow, another one, snook. Get the slam right here. Oh, that was another one. Bunch of snook right here. Are you kidding me, dude? Oh, you. Wow, dude. I knew there was a red there. Fuck, I need to get him in. He hit the Gulp Turbo then. Nice. Come on, stop. Wow, bro, one fish. This is the only thing I don't like is one fish and it's done. Oh. Nice, got him. Nice, dude. I'm seriously about to just go bang my head against a wall. I just want to get a slam today. That's it. Thank you. Juice. I don't know if y'all caught that on camera, but that snook just came up to it and just missed it. He tried to hit it. Oh my gosh, he hit it again. It's a different one. There he is. That was a snook. There you go. I don't really understand what's going on. We just got our slam. At least I hope. Nice fish. I just put 30 on. Nice. 25. So she's a beauty. Ah, dude, come on, bro. Why do you gotta do that? Slam. I don't know why that slam meant so much to me. Probably because I missed, lost, broke off, came unglued with probably like 5 snook before that. And one of them was bigger, and that was nice. 25-inch snook in the lagoon, baby. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. We ended the day with, I've been grinding trying to get another redfish. I think we ended the day with 5, maybe 6 redfish. I'll have to play the video back. We got 1 nice snook and a handful of trout, one of them being 23 inches. So not a bad day. I stayed out a little bit longer than I normally do. It's 1:30 right now. Towards the end there, I was grinding for an hour, maybe even hour and a half. Finally got the snook that I was looking for, and then I pivoted and was trying to get another redfish. I probably threw at 20 redfish with multiple different lures, and they wanted nothing to do with it, so I give up. It's just one of those days. A couple weeks ago, I had one of those days that the redfish, like, it did not matter. They were hitting everything. It didn't matter what you threw at them. It's pretty cool though to catch 2 redfish on Gulp Turbo. The material felt a little different, breaks apart a lot easier than the other Gulps, I promise you. I think you're better off just sticking with the old stuff. It's not worth it to me. Wow, I don't think I've ever done this. I'm like 3 miles away. Wow, that sucks. I guess we're trolling motoring back. Oh, I checked my fuel this morning. I just kind of went underneath my raised deck in the back and I kind of just lifted it up. And it felt heavy, but it wasn't heavy because it was pinned up against the top deck. I thought it had more than enough. What a mistake. I wish I had autopilot to just go back to the ramp so I could fall asleep, but I'd probably run into a damn island or something. I've been running the trolling motor for so long. I don't know if my battery died or what, but it just shut off. It might have overheated, but it's not turning back on. Dude, this is literally my life right now. Like, stupid. There's a guy up here. He's definitely fishing. I'm gonna try to go up to him and see if he maybe has an extra something of gas. The guy who I'm sitting here waiting on, he's hooked up to a nice fish.
So I asked this guy if he had any fuel. He had no way to get it out of his tank, so he ended up saying, yeah, I'll take you back to the ramp. And I said, well, don't do it right now. I know you just got here, so if you want to wait a little bit, just fish. As long as I can make it back to the ramp before sundown, I'm happy. And so he said, give me 30 minutes and I'll bring you back, and that's what he did.
Very nice. Yes, sir.
If you made it to the end, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.